Today we're going to be making a laser gate. So hit new composition, type in laser gate, make it 1920 by 1080 or whatever size your footage is. Now we'll just hit Finder, grab my footage, which is 4K, so we'll need to scale it down to 50% to fit inside the 1080p composition. Now we're just going to create another composition called lasers, which is also the same size. Make two new solids by going to Layer, New Solid, or hitting Command Y. First one we'll do will be a white solid for the background, and then the second one will be a red solid, or whatever color your laser gate needs to be, but I think red works best. Now I'll hit Effect, go down to Transition, and grab Vignette and Blinds, set Direction to 90 degrees, and set Transition Completion to 15. Now dial your width back to 10, apply Blur and Sharpen Gaussian Blur. Set this to maybe 5, and I think that's looking pretty good. Now we'll jump back over to our composition laser gate right there. We can go to the point where we want there to be a laser gate in the video, drag right there, and hit Shift to make a snap to your cursor line. Snap that over there. Alright, now we can start bringing in our laser. So jump over here and grab Search Laser, and then you have your lasers composition. Put that right on top, and then we'll just drag the edges and do some rotation by hitting R down here. Command, and then we'll just make this kind of fit in there. I'm liking that so far. Then we'll dial back the opacity by hitting T, the shortcut to opacity, and set it to, say, 30%, 40%. Let's try that. Alright, that's looking great, but the edge is really hard right here, so we will hit Command or Control D to duplicate that. Scale it down like so, and then we will go to Effect, Blur and Sharpen Gaussian Blur to blur this a lot like that. Now we also want to remember to set the opacity of this layer, which we'll name Lasers Glow, back up to 100%, and now we have a nice little glow there. Can add a little generator for the lasers, just kind of bring it into reality by selecting the pen tool up here, making sure your fill is set to black, and then draw a little rectangle. Zoom in with the scroll wheel, zoom back out, and make that little rectangle, which we can drop behind lasers, and it just kind of adds a little bar right there. It kind of makes it look like the lasers are coming out of it. But yeah, that's how you make the laser gate, and you can set your quality to whatever you want here, but it goes really slow when I play it in full, but we'll just try that anyway. But yeah, that looks pretty good. So that was how to make a laser gate in After Effects in under 5 minutes.